Good morning and welcome to another episode of Talk Automotive, the channel from a car lover to car lovers. As promised, today we are heading down to the Midlands to meet with DK Tuning. We are looking at getting a forge intake and a short shifter put on the JCW today. From there, then we're going to have a look at a special car that they've got down there at DK Tuning, and we're going to get out in that as well, so that'll be really excited, to stay tuned for that. But let's get on the road, let's get to DK Tuning and we'll... Morning and welcome to DK Tuning. So far, epic garage, the guys here are brilliant, so really excited to get stuck in, and they've given me our box of goodies for the Mini. So, first of all, as you can see, we've got the high flow forge intake pipe. That's going to replace the plastic version that's already on the Mini. Basically just allows us to go higher boost levels, but also give us, consistent performance, and this definitely will not break. Secondly, we've got the Forge Motorsport short shifter. So this is for the F56. I'll show you the parts in here. This is what sits on top of the trans, so I'll show you that part. Then you've got obviously the bracketry and all of the hardware to go with it. So that's going on second, just shortens the gear ratios and the distance that the shifter travels. And then lastly, today we've got the Forge intake system. So another single silicone boost pipe, air filter, appropriate hardware, some cool stickers. So thanks Forge, load them on the car. And then lastly, still wrapped up, but the lid, again, engraved with Forge, but we'll have a look at that a little bit later. So yeah, some really cool things coming from Forge. Yeah, excited to get it fitted. So guys are just finishing work on a M.5 GTI Golf. Once that's happened, ours goes on the lift and we'll get this in. So brilliant, let's catch up soon. So we're just installing the short shifter now, and the great thing is Forge actually send you a tool here that actually knocks out that one there, and that actually knocks out the pin that's holding all together. So yeah, epic quality again from Forge there, sending tools that you need in part of the job. So we'll carry on trying to install this now, have some fun. I think it's not going to be as easy as we first thought. So the problem we're finding at the moment is this part here. You can see, focus, camera, focus. That part there, you need to pull that out in order for this to go on. And that little rubber part goes straight through here. But basically when they put on at factory, as I've been told then, that they're not designed to come off, so they do seize up slightly. So we're trying to use a puller to get it off, but unfortunately we can't get it to grip onto the gear linkages, so having a bit of trouble with that, but I'm sure we will overcome it shortly, and then we'll be on to the intake. So we're doing the hard bit first. We got it off in the end. We had to use a slide hammer to get it off, but we got there in the end. So just now I'm going to put the short shifter on, get it all tightened up, and then intake on, and then we're off on the road. Sweet. DK Tuning in his very nice Golf R, pushing out 425?
About 425 and 590 Newton meters, thereabouts.
So it's going to be scary. We're just talking about his next steps, and I'll have to keep that bit in. That's brilliant.
Always gets people that.
Yeah, so well there we are, that's the power that this thing's got. So
it is very torquey.
Yeah, very, very torquey. So Dan, the great thing is, it's a four-wheel, you can just feel it squat, but it just goes, doesn't it?
That's the thing, you've got no torque steer like you get with front-wheel drive cars. You've got no wheel spin. It just literally, you put your foot down, it goes.
That's absolutely brilliant. So next steps for this is turbo?
Yeah, turbo time. We've got coilovers that we need to fit as well. We've got a Rocket Bunny wide body kit that we're going to be doing and then wrapping it. We've got the hybrid turbo that's going to be our next big push. 1200cc injectors, forging it. We've got a big long list of things that we're going to be putting on it, really.
And this is all the stuff that you guys fit at DK Tuning, isn't it?
Yeah, all going to be done in-house by us, all tuned by us, all the development's done by us as well. So yeah, it's an in-house project. The aim is 700 horsepower, hence the reg plate 700 WHP. So we're hoping for 700 thereabouts. Whether it's achievable or not, don't know, but that's the aim of the game.
That's the brown trouser time then, 700 horsepower.
Oh yes. Well, it'll be fully stripped by then as well. We'll probably have some race seats in, probably take all the back seats out, have it fully sort of like race spec at that point. That's going to be probably in about 2.5 years time. So at the minute it's fairly stock, full weight still, and already it's an animal. So at that point, God knows what it's going to be like.
Absolutely epic. Well, we're going to get out onto some country-ish roads now.
And feel the torque on that one.
Yeah. Video with Dan there, a bit about DK Tuning and what I'm here for, and we're going to go out in this absolute beast of an R53. As you can hear it's really, really loud. So Dan's doing some of his filming now for his channel. I'll link it above and in the description. DK Tuning, they're on Facebook, Instagram, really responsive at messaging back as well on Facebook. So anything you guys need, give Dan a message on Facebook. He'll sort you out. The boys here will be fitting it, and we're going to go out on this R53 now and have some serious fun. Let's have a look how the Cooper's doing. So we are down to the air intake pipe is out, the short shifter is fitted. So now it's about getting that high flow intake pipe in, and then the intake, and we're going to be there. So really, really exciting. Cars are coming on leaps and bounds, and we're going to go and have some fun in this now. drive, it's smelly and loud, so this is going to be a lot of fun. We're out in the R53
Cooper-S, yeah.
Cooper-S. We're harnessed up, so nice and safe, cage.
Fully stripped out, yeah. So.
Absolutely class. This thing is really loud. Like, I didn't catch that footage of us leaving them, but it is incredibly loud. So yeah, Dan's got a big smile on his face. Like, I'm 6 foot, but you're taller than me, and yeah, there's not much space in here.
Not much room, is there?
This is like a 5'10" racing car driver's car, so
yeah, I look stupid in this. I look like a clown, clown's car.
Quick overview, Dan. What's been done to this, like, roughly? I know it's literally.
So it's Cooper-S, obviously 1.6 supercharged. We've done 17% reduction pulley. We've done top mount AirTech intercooler, induction kit by AirTech, Durenza radiator, 4:1 Scorpion manifold. Custom catback built by us straight through with one silencer in the back, and obviously the mapping and everything as well.
Absolutely.
As you can hear, it sounds pretty decent as well.
Yeah, it's absolutely. It's the closest to like a mini track car that you would come across, I think.
Yeah.
Like the mini series that they're doing now with like the new version, like I've got. Yeah, it's absolutely insane. So
it's got the AR1 Nankang tyres on as well. So the Golf that you've just been in had the NS2Rs, which was like the more street version of these I've got on. You'll see afterwards that these are like slick tyres almost. So in the wet, you wouldn't take this out.
Yeah, you just hydroplane everywhere.
Yeah.
So I don't know how much you guys could hear because it is loud, but we'll get out now and we'll get some shots of this car. But yeah, truly epic build, and I don't think the guys have done yet.
Yeah, it proper screams right at the top.
Yeah, that is. Oh, yeah.
Got a fire.
We're on fire. We are on fire.
Maybe we should pull over and have a look at that.
Yeah.
That way.
Yeah, so the high flow intake pipe was a bit of a nightmare to get out, but got there. So had to try and rotate it and then like sort of bump it towards you and then slide it out. So we've got that out now. The new piece there is ready to go in, but this one doesn't bend, so I think we'll have some more fun. But I think Adam is probably not going to want to work on a JCW for a little bit after this because it's not been very easy. He's had to go and borrow a tool from another garage, so I don't think he's going to enjoy my car anymore. So the sooner it's out of his sight, the better. But yeah, it's we'll get this bolted in, and hopefully once the flow pipe's in, the intake should be easy.
Yeah,
should be easy. So that's straightforward. And then I think me and Adam will probably go out in it, test drive it, but I'm sure the roads are laden with police after me and Dan were hooning up and down in that R53. So we'll carry on with this. Intake, high flow intake pipe is on. Took a little bit of work to get it to clip in place, but managed to get there. So if anyone does this themselves, it's not the easiest to fit in. Now all we've got to do is put the forged silicone tube on, attach that to the air filter, intake complete, get that boxed in, and then we'll be able to go out for a drive and see what it's like. And get this forward sticker onto the air feed for the induction kit. So yeah, just make it look cool. That looks absolutely sick. So, I don't know if the camera's focusing, but that looks class. So that will go on there, Ford intake will be there, and that is brilliant. So thanks Ford, and let's get back in there and see how we're getting on. massive thanks to DK Tuning. Car's looking sick. Modifications I'm really happy with. The quick shift is really good. Literally no travel in it at all. Again, thanks to Dan, thanks to the guys, and we'll get home, and thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, smash the thumbs up, it means a lot. Any comments, anything to get going in the comments, happy to answer any questions, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.